In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the chart of accounts to Excel using QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process that ensures you have all your financial information handy in a format that's easy to analyze and share. Whether you're preparing reports for a meeting or simply prefer to work with Excel's robust data manipulation tools, exporting your chart of accounts is a practical skill to have. Let's get started. First things first, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your central hub for all things finance-related in your business. Now, from this dashboard, you'll want to locate and select the section specifically labeled QuickBooks Online. This is where the magic really begins to happen, as it serves as the gateway to your business's financial data. Direct your attention next to the left-hand side of the screen where you see a menu. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Transactions. This is a pivotal step because transactions house the financial data that you're planning to export. Once you're on the Transactions page, the next goal is to head over to the Chart of Accounts. By clicking here, you're opening up an organized list of all your accounts, each neatly categorized, representing your income, expenses, liabilities, and more. It's a neat feature within QuickBooks Online that offers a comprehensive overview of your financial landscape at a glance. With your chart of accounts open in front of you, you'll notice various details about each account displayed on your screen. The next step is to get these details ready for Excel. To do this, you'll need to generate a report. Keep an eye out for the button that says Run Report and give it a click. This step is crucial because once clicked, it creates a detailed and comprehensive report of your accounts that's primed and ready for export. Now, we move to the exciting part, exporting your data. On the report page where you are right now, look for a button labeled More Actions. Clicking on this reveals additional options specifically tailored to the report you've just generated. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Export to Excel. A simple click on this option will initiate the download of your report in Excel format. This feature is incredibly valuable as it not only allows you to view your data offline, but also lets you utilize Excel's powerful data analysis tools. You can create pivot tables, construct informative graphs, and prepare visually appealing presentations. It offers you more control and flexibility over your financial data, readying it for enhanced insights and better decision-making. And there you have it, a straightforward process to export your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online to Excel. With these steps mastered, you can handle your financial data with greater efficiency and insight. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.